Gravity anchors us. Time propels us. Fire consumes. These are our universe's unyielding rules. But what if they shattered? I challenged advanced AI to engineer a world where physics simply doesn't apply. The result is a place of breathtaking, unsettling impossibility. Prepare to witness floating oceans, mountains twisting like liquid, rivers flowing skyward, and gravity constantly defying itself. This is a planet our minds struggle to comprehend, a testament to pure, unbridled chaos. The fundamental instructions given to the artificial intelligence involved designing a planetary system where established physical constants were entirely absent. This core directive meant that traditional concepts of mass, energy, and force were not constraints within its simulation. The AI was tasked with conceptualizing a reality where universal laws simply did not apply, allowing for a truly unbound environment. Within this simulated reality, the AI conceived of massive bodies of water, vast oceans, existing not within depressions but as colossal, free-floating spheres suspended in the planet's atmosphere. Rivers on this planet would defy conventional gravitational pulls, instead flowing upwards, their currents ascending into the nebulous clouds above. These phenomena represent a fundamental redefinition of fluid dynamics and celestial mechanics. The AI generated landmasses where geological structures behaved like fluids. Mountains writhed and twisted, their peaks reforming continuously, akin to liquid forms. Entire metropolises were designed to exist without physical support, their sprawling structures hovering unsupported in mid-air. This configuration implies an absence of structural integrity requirements or gravitational stresses, allowing for impossible architectures. The very existence of objects on this planet is rendered transient by the AI's design. Solid forms, from pebbles to monumental structures, would spontaneously materialize and vanish without cause or warning. This unpredictability extends to all matter, rendering any sense of permanence or material stability irrelevant within this simulated environment. On this planet, the direction and intensity of gravity were not constant but shifted erratically, presenting a perpetual, multi-directional pull. One moment, an object might be drawn towards the planetary core. The next, it could be propelled skyward or sideways, creating a continuously reorienting spatial experience. Such an environment challenges our fundamental understanding of spatial orientation and relative motion. The AI designed light itself to bend and refract without predictable physical laws, causing the sky to perpetually cycle through an impossible spectrum of colors and shapes. Regions of this planet experience light waves that warp spontaneously, creating visual illusions and constant changes in perceived reality. This unpredictable illumination would fundamentally alter visual perception and navigation. Time on this AI-designed world does not flow uniformly. Certain regions experience a deceleration of temporal progression, while others accelerate it drastically. This means a moment in one area could be an hour in another, creating isolated pockets of differing temporal realities. Such a fragmented timeline raises profound questions about the nature of causality and sequential events. The AI inverted the properties of basic elements. Fire, instead of generating heat, would manifest as an intensely cold phenomenon, freezing objects upon contact. Furthermore, sound waves, typically imperceptible, are rendered visible, traveling through the air as shimmering, undulating patterns. This complete inversion of fundamental principles creates a sensory experience alien to any known physics. In such an environment, the AI modeled life forms uniquely adapted to this physical anarchy. Creatures might possess the ability to swim effortlessly through open air, or fluidly pass through solid objects, completely unhindered by material density. Others would shapeshift continuously, their forms adapting instantly to the ceaseless shifts in gravitational pull, demonstrating an evolution beyond conventional biological constraints. This AI-generated planet forces us to confront fundamental questions about existence. How could movement hold meaning without constant gravity? Or could life persist without stable physical laws? Perhaps the deepest insight offered by this impossible world is a profound consideration. Are the universal laws of physics not merely descriptions of our universe, but the very scaffolding upon which any coherent reality depends? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.